What's the big one today, fellas? It's coming home. Right, beer review. This is Munton's Highland Heavy from Schnuz. It's a bitter, 4.6%, 750ml pet bottle. Cracking bottles these, you get a really full pint in there. A bit to spare. Bottle on the 6/11/20, so it's got a good 6 months. It's not overly tight in the bottle. I'll pour it and I'll have a read up here. I've got little notes here I've just printed off, and I had this one before, so we'll do it. But I've got a cloth here because that guy's got a vice grip. Not bad, that one actually. Alright, so I've not had this beer before. I've never even seen this one, to be honest. My local homebrew shop closed down a few years ago, so I do a lot of stuff online now. Let's give it a pour. That's pouring great, that, really nice. And with these you get a full bottle in there, pint, and you've no risk of sediment because it's all in the bottom. So, good. 2 finger of head. Nice white tight caps. Fantastic, like a ruby. I'd say dark ruby in colour. I'm not sure you can pick up on the camera with that one. Quite fitting really, isn't it? A Scottish beer for when England have made it to the final. First major final since 1966 was just missed. So I know nothing about this beer. I know it's a 3 kilogram kit. I'm not sure any hops or anything like that. I'm sure Schnuz will put it down below. I'll put a link to his channel. Done some cracking, he does the quality kits, he doesn't do the cheap and cheerful very often, either all grain or the quality kits. So Highland Heavy, brewed in the Highlands of Scotland centuries ago. It's rich, dark, hoppy ale, known as Heavy, was brewed containing 3 kilograms of the best roasted malts, 4.5%. Okay, so sessionable. Great looking beer. Give it a nose. I'm actually getting more the malts there, the dark malts, than the actual hops on that, to be honest. And without dry hopping these kits, they do sluice a slight bit. I'm not sure there's any dry hops in this one. I don't think there is, to be honest. Clear as you like. And we'll dive in. And you know, the looks of a beer are important and the smells are, but the taste is just everything. So we'll dive in. Cheers, Schnuz. Carbonation crack on. Quite hoppy that. It's, I'd say, about between 40 and 45 IBUs, so it's not overly bitter. It's just a real nice, get like a hint of treacle, molasses, that kind of thing on the aftertaste. It's just a really nice bittered. Well, that's the winner. Now, a few weeks ago, or maybe it's a few months ago, I did a Northern Brown Ale from the Bible, and I know it's a slightly different beer, but you wouldn't say one was more all grain than the other. If you put them head to head, I wouldn't have said this was a kit and the other one wasn't, or anything vice versa. It's just the way they brewed. I know Schnuz has got experience in both, and he's choosing the quality kits, and he's like me, to be honest. We can do the all grain, but you're talking 5 or 6 hours, and when you're doing these kits, that's an hour of your life gone rather than 5 or 6 hours. And especially going to do a keg or something like that, or a pressure barrel. That to me is another winner. So cheers. Trying to keep myself busy today because my nerves are starting. Kick-off's 8 o'clock tonight, so it's coming home. There's no doubt about it. It's coming home. Cheers, fellas. Cheers, Schnuz.